We're having a fiesta for Francis. And that's how they cook the fish. Right there. Open fire. I don't understand a word they say, and they don't understand a word I say.
Parehas kita. The same.
But
Pero
we do have something in common here. The beer.
lapo.
But this is the cool part right here. Check him out. And of course, we've always got fighting chickens. Always. Everywhere. At Dad's, we have fighting chickens. And those are the guys. Dad. Brother. And she told me to bring a beer out here to the little guys. But what she really said, take them a beer, they're cooking lynching. I do have a little trouble with English here. But check him out. They've been cooking that, of course, all night on that fire over there. I'll be editing this, dude. I have to watch where I walk. Oh! I have to watch where I walk. And here we go. Banana leaves. They're gonna wrap something in banana leaves. We got a lot of little, young, fighting chickens here. Everywhere. Oh, we are going Here we go. Now he is a baby pig. He doesn't look like a suckling to me. A suckling is one that hasn't left the mother. But he's certainly not, he's very young. Don't mess with these mountain men. They're good with a knife. These. I have never eaten this.
May kita nga dili na kita maghum-hum.
He looks determined.
You borrow this?
Di mo matagal makaasal pa pang kita ko sapla.
Isabot ang kinildingan.
I'm not really a city boy. I come from a town about 42,000 with lots of farms, had lots of friends, but actually I've never done anything. Well, in college we did roast a big pig. God, we did that for about 24 hours. And I've never seen anybody eat that. Pulled it off right here.
Okay.
Just give it to me. I'm trying to pull it off. I'm filming.
Pero mga Pinoy nang nag-manage.
All right. Oh. There's nothing here. There it is. Very fat. That's all I got. Very good. Solid fat. I can't do this really. All I got was one little tiny piece right here. That's all they ate. All that skin is very good. All you need is a Super Bowl and some hot sauce. I wonder. And this is milkfish. Michelle loves the milkfish. I mean, absolutely loves it. It's got more bones in it than anything I've ever seen. The meat, it's not bad. But it's full of bones. Just solid bones. So you got to eat it with your fingers, and I'm not too much into that yet. And you pull the meat off the bones, and it's pretty good. But she likes that better than my grouper. They're letting him cool down before they cut it. Rust it just like we do a steak. I got a guy at home that would just love this. He barbecues every single night in St. Louis, unless of course it's snowing or raining. And he would just plain love this. Now that's real charcoal, that's just charcoal wood. Not like charcoal we buy in the bag. It's only 10 o'clock in the morning.
Si kain dong, ketiwa pa ng luto dong. Pulagom na ito puso.
Too early for me.
Hindi pa mahaw.
Ang kana, nakahaw. Luto na noy. Luto na noy. Tilawi.
Tatay, tatap.
Mutilaw, ikog lang.
Ay na po ta.
That beer is just plain awesome. Called Red Horse, 6.7%. But it tastes like smooth, like a craft beer, but not heavy like a craft beer. It almost better than Budweiser. Of course, everything's better than
Nagbasa sa
Budweiser,
diligan.
in my
Kaya sa
opinion.
German, ang problema sa
And they have a Pilsner,
Ay, di na may mo sa dito. Patay ka na buong o gana.
and the Pilsner is awesome. Shit, one of the best beers I ever had. Now, it's
Kaya
not
mo dong,
heavy,
patadong dong.
but it's more like, Budweiser or Miller, but without the bite. The 21st of April, or thereabouts, we have eggs, and we have the babies. Right there. 1 day old. Mom's taking care of them. These chickens make money. And this is prime time for young chicks. They're just quite literally everywhere here. Everywhere. Future mothers. They put them in a cage to have the babies. I don't know. Can't see much. And here they are. In their cage. And then we have them quite literally, like I said, everywhere. Just wanted you to see babies everywhere. Because, like I said, it's April 21st, breeding season. I guess that's what they call the white one. They're beautiful. They're beautiful birds. Just beautiful. Just beautiful birds. I guess they keep the stud or the female for 3 years because they seem to make chicken soup out of them. 3 years old, it is the worst chicken that you have ever to have. I'm going to open this up. More mothers in here. Future mothers. I'd better lock it up. Cage over there, cage over here. And of course, these mothers here. Check this dude out. Beautiful bird. They've done the rice. I don't know how many hours they work to put them in them bamboo bags. But they eat a lot of rice. You can buy them on the street this way. I don't know what they cost. I have no desire. Here we go. So let's see how close I can get. Not too afraid of me.